what's your winning formula for answering incoming calls for information? Yeah, you pick up when you pick up and answer the phone, whether it's yourself or your company reps. Do you have like a
Is it a corporate
that
number that
piece?
they're calling? It's customers calling that number?
Prospects calling that number
Yeah.
for information.
So it's simple. The winning formula is this, and it's going to sound a little bit cheesy, okay? If somebody walked into your brick and mortar location, hopefully you or your people would be equipped with a sword and shield, ideally, in an ideal world. You would get your tookish out of the chair, right? And you'd walk up to him and be like, welcome, what can I get you information on? With a smile on your face. When they're calling us, doesn't matter, they can't hear a smile. So I'm gonna drift slightly into the realm of cheesy, but I'm gonna explain why this is important. You're gonna say, it's a great day. And I know that sounds cheesy. However, we're setting the tone. It's a great day at Strike Zone. What can I get you information on? Now, listen to the difference, because the key, the critical way to answer any call is, what can I get you information on? Why? That sets the tone. That gets somebody who's nervous to tell us what they need to tell us. That gets the customer who has a question to tell us what they need to tell us. That gets the person who was injured and needs to put their account on pause to tell us what they need to tell us. Everybody that calls wants information. However, if you just answer the phone, what can I get you information on? It sounds really weird. Like there's no on-ramp. It's just, it's weird. It's like I'm missing part of the conversation. So if they answer the phone and go, it's a great day at Strike Zone, what can I get you information on? Right? It's just down to business, but yet still pleasant, right? It's a great day at blank. What can I get you information on? Right? Now, if you guys are like, okay, that's cool advice, Matt, I love that. And I'm going to have my business line. If it's my business line, I'm going to answer that. If it's the main line for my company, we're all going to answer the phone. What do I do if it's my personal mobile, right? And I think it's a business call. There, you can just answer the phone. This is Matt, right? Or this is Derek. And if they go, hey, I was calling about, awesome, what can I get you information on? Always pivot back your default, your foundation, your base of every conversation is what can I get you information on? If you don't say that, conversations drift, right? Like, by the way, I'll have a client that's been a client at Eastern University for 3-4 years, and they call me. And I'm sorry, but I have a limited amount of time in the day. I'm not trying to be a jerk. Hey, Matt, it's Derek, man. What's up, my brother? Awesome, Derek. Great to hear. What can I get you information on? It's centering the call to the reason why you were calling. Otherwise, you're going to go, what's up? And I'm going to go, man, not too much. What's up with you? Right? And then we're talking about weather and we're talking about kids and we're, oh man, did you ever get a boat? Oh, no, it's just not skillful, right? It's not skillful. So your base for all business conversations, what can I get you information on? Somebody walks in your door of your office, coworker, customer. Hey, how's it going? Going great, going great. What can I get you information on? Your base to start any skillful conversation is what can I get you information on?
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.